put this mustard oil.
What put in? Not this one? Guys, nagluto kami ng ano guys. Ano ba tawag dito, my love? Pakuri? Ha? My love, not good. This one is clean. Not good, the clip. See? I don't like this one, ha? Do you know what I sending you? The clip. I like this one. You put it all na, the powder. Put it all na. Tignan nyo guys, nagluto kami ng ganito guys. Anong ba tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. Ano ba tawag dito, my love? What is this the name? My love. Ayan o. Masarap siya. Like this na. First trimmer. Wait. Ayan guys. Ang aming niluto yan. Golden brown.
Remove.
Wait na. I need this one. Slowly payat. Slow. Yan na po ito. What's bubbles? Flattered guys, flattered. Tanawan nyo guys ang ginawa ng asawa ko. Puti na. Nakakatuwa lang. Naglalaro kami guys. So, di ba? Breadcrumbs mo love is bitter. You know? Breadcrumbs. Wish it was putting water na. You don't know. Ang daming ginawa niya guys. So, tapos puro tubig. Hindi siya nag-sticky guys ba? Breakfast yan guys.